Hello guys, it's Roos and the River channel. As you know, I'm developing my new Lego city. I am building a beach and a new lighthouse. Maybe I'll have some laguna, and I'm still thinking on that. And this ship will look just great there. It's the Creator 3-in-1 set, 31109. It has 1260 pieces. You can build this ship. It fully consists of these Lego pieces. It doesn't have a whole bottom as I take it. It's made of small pieces. Even the sails are from Lego pieces. It has, and not from the fabric. It has 3 variants. This ship, this treasure island, as I take it, a school cave, and a tavern like this. It would look great when closed, but I like the ship better. So out of all these sets, maybe I'll buy another one with this to build this tavern for pirates. So let's unpack it and we'll look at this beautiful ship. We don't have many pieces, so we don't have many bags. Well, that's what we have here. We have 3 manuals here. Whoa. The one for this ship is the biggest piece. The pieces and building wise. Here's some letter. Here's the cave. Hold on. Oh, here's the ship, and from the page 201, it's the other one. Why didn't they separate it? They usually separate it. They do separate manuals, alternative building right in this manual. So here's the ship, and the tavern's a little thinner. Overall, they're all almost the same. The ship's just a little thicker. And nothing else here, as I take it. So, the good thing is that it has no stickers, but probably it doesn't have prints too. And also there's a bag like this, with bigger pieces and these ropes. Let's go. So guys, I built this set, this beautiful ship. The building process was great, many new things. I learned a lot, even seen some, I liked it because it has 2 masts, especially the rope between them. Also here is the scene where a pirate is being thrown away and aboard, and this shark is waiting for him. A cool shark. It has many teeth. It has active fins and jaws. Here are the jaws. Here is a skeleton that's looking into the far from the crow's nest. Here are the cannons with the little doors. I don't know how they're called. So I guess you can open them and shoot from both sides. Also, I take it has only one good looking side, because if you turn it like this, you don't see the back side, and it's a bad side because you can see the fasteners. I think it's a bad side. Here and here a pirate fell down, and here too, and that's why it will stand like this where the board is, and the one-legged captain looking in the far. I also like that it has an anchor. It's also active. You can disassemble it as you like. I don't know. I'm not that good in ship terminology, so I don't know much about the ship parts. Also, there's a mermaid and the nose of the ship. that decorates the whole ship. And in the back it has this active thing, the rudder. It also has this captain's cabin, and the windows open like this, so you can make a scene. Here's the cabin. Here is a map on the table. His mug, and a table with a feather. Overall, I like the ship very much, especially its coloring, brown and black with red, the flags, white sails, very canonical to the pirate theme. Of course, it's not the Black Pearl. I actually dream of that ship, but it costs a fortune now, so I didn't make to buy it for a small price. Someone was faster, so maybe I'll have it one day, and for now it's my only old ship. So it is old. I have the one in the bottle, of course, but that doesn't count. And this one we'll put in our city. So I'm gonna say my goodbyes. Watch it till the end. As always, we're gonna do some showcase show, all the details. It was Rus and the Rubber channel. See ya.